Lesson 5, Grade 8. As students are finishing their personality survey, please make sure that every single one has their first and last name printed very clearly on the top and then put inside their folder. That way we get the correct scores to the right child. Now, as they're finishing, some are going to finish faster than others. So what you can do is you can start putting them into groups of 4, and they can play the game Who Earns More. It's a deck of cards that will go in the middle of the 4 of them, and they will each get a piggy bank. Now, I only have 6 piggy banks per table. So if you have more kids than you have piggy banks, just pair the kids up, and they can play as pairs, not a problem. And then you will have a container of pennies that will also go in the middle of the group. So what you do is you figure out who's going to start first. The person next to them will read the question to them because the answer is on the card. So you don't want the person to actually read the card. So they're going to read a card and they're going to say, who earns more, meteorologist or architect? The person guesses, and then you could give them the answer. The answer is in red. So in this case, the meteorologist makes more with 92,000. The architect makes 76,000. If the kids try to refute this, this is base pay. This is starting of someone coming in new as an architect or new as a meteorologist. This is not someone that's worked in the field for 10 plus years. They obviously are going to make more. I think I'd encourage the kids to read the incomes because they may find it very interesting to find what some of these careers are making. They may think they make a lot less or a lot more, and by hearing it, it gives them more information. They can just keep playing this until the time's up. If they get it correct, they take a penny from the container, they put it into their piggy bank. The person with the most pennies in their piggy bank at the end of the game obviously wins. The piggy banks just open right up. You could take the pennies out, and they're ready to go for the next session.